Hi everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a basic bead embroidery technique that's perfect for adding a decorative touch to your clothes or dresses. Whether you want to enhance dress bodices, sleeves, necklines, or any part of your clothing, this simple technique will add an elegant and stylish finish. For this project, I'm using plain cotton fabric, but feel free to experiment with other fabrics depending on your style. I've pinned two pieces of fabric together with a 6mm gap between them, creating the space where we'll be adding our bead embroidery. The beads create a lovely decorative bridge between the two fabric pieces. It's a simple process, but adds such a sophisticated detail to your clothes. You can use this for casual or formal outfits, and it's a quick way to give your garments a unique, fashionable edge. One important thing I'll show you during the video is how to change threads when you run out. It's easy to do and won't disrupt your stitching, keeping everything neat and smooth. This project is very easy to follow, and it's a quick way to enhance your dress bodices, necklines, or sleeves. You can try it out on your t-shirts, skirts, or even home decor projects like pillow covers. I hope you enjoy stitching along with me, and remember, you don't need any special equipment, just your fabric, thread and beads, and you're ready to go.